show the conditions of my yard. This area right here gets flooded. You can see there, but everything is a little bit on higher ground. And this water will recede pretty quickly. So, I'm gonna get out of this lightning storm. After the storm, everything drained away. So I know that this glen, this dwarf Hawaiian, and heck, even that lemon zest are all spreading roots this way. So with the amount of water that you see that builds up over here, once these establish themselves, you will see that they're not going to need any more hand watering. This guy, on the other hand, Mr. Pickering, yeah, he's in a pot, so he's going to need it. Just like this star fruit with the tomatoes. So, well draining soil for your mangoes.